Solve the following inequality. We have the absolute value of 2x plus 1, which is less than or equal to 0. So here is our absolute value inequality. We have the absolute value isolated on the left side, and then this is less than or equal to 0. Now in this case, this is a number that can neither be negative nor positive. So therefore, we're not going to apply the rule for the absolute value where it's less than or equal to that constant. So in this case here, what we're going to have to do is take the expression, which is 2x plus 1, and then we're going to set that to be equal to 0. So let's go ahead and solve for x. So the first thing we're going to do is subtract 1 to both sides. So 1 minus 1 is going to give us 0. So we end up with 2x, which is equal to 0 minus 1, which is negative 1. And then divide both sides by 2. And so therefore x is going to equal negative 1/2. Now we're going to check that result. And so we're going to check that by plugging it back into the inequality. So we have 2 times negative 1/2 plus 1. And we want to see if that's going to be less than or equal to 0. Well, 2 times negative 1/2 is going to give us negative 1 plus 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. And the absolute value of 0 is 0. Now, is 0 less than 0? No, but it is equal to 0, so therefore this is a true statement. So the only solution to this particular problem is negative 1/2. Let's go ahead and solve this, or at least put this in here. So it is finite because it's on one answer, so we're going to select that, and then we're going to put in negative, and then the fraction 1 over 2. Let's check our answer, and there is our result.